Okay. Are we ready for the wooden shoes?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Hola. Hola. ¿Estamos listos para los huecos?
Siempre.
Bueno. Okay. Well, first of all, good afternoon. Welcome here at the Wooden Shoe Factory. My name is Joel. I'm going to explain about the wooden shoes, these things. The wooden shoes here in Holland. Buenas tardes, bienvenidos a la fábrica de huecos. Me llamo Joel y ahí voy a explicar cómo hacemos los huecos. Aquí en Holanda, the kind of wood that we use is poplar. La madera es álamo, le bois est peuplier, el leño es piopo, das Holz ist papel, topol, makala, kavak, meshur, taftsapa, bayangmu. Then it's soft and it's easy to cut, blando y fácil para cortar. And when this wood is dry, it's very lightweight, and most important, it becomes water resistant. Cuando la madera está secado, está muy ligero y resistente al agua. And that's important because that's the main reason why people in the Netherlands still wear the wooden shoes until this day. Esta es la razón principal. Farmers, they need to walk in the fields without getting their feet all wet, and wooden shoes still keep the feet warm and dry. Llevo mucho aquí, el pasto está húmeda y los agricultores tienen que caminar por la tierra tener sin los pies mojados y los huecos tienen los pies calientes y secos. Another thing, if you live on a farm, you might have animals around. For example, I walk on my farm, caminando en el campo, and then a cow comes by, una vaca, stands on my feet. No problem, it's also a really good safety shoe. Es un buen zapato de seguridad. Okay, they used to make them all by hand, a mano, with knives like this, for the outside of the shoe, para el exterior del hueco. Spoons and drills, like this, for the inside, el interior. Takes a long time, of course. If I do it by hand, it will take me 3 hours. Al mano me llevará 3 horas. This one is for the outside of the shoe, para el exterior del hueco. This one is for the inside, el interior, and the machine works like copying a key. La máquina funciona como copia una llave. Over here I have the mold, el molde, and the guide, el guía. It feels where the mold is, and it's in connection with the knife, el cuchillo. Simple, the knife cuts away where the guide feels. El cuchillo corta lo que sienten del guía.
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay, let's go. Vamos. Gracias. Oh,
Are you comfortable in your shoes?
actually I am.
Oh, good.
It's hard work, right? Mucho trabajo. And look, the outside is finished. Mira, el exterior está casi listo. These ends I will cut up later. Voy a cut los extremos después. But yes, of course. Bravo, shoe. Bravo. Okay, now the inside of the shoe. El interior, the hueco. Same system. Mismo sistema. También listo. Los extremos. First question, una pregunta. Because with this knife, I also do manicures. Yes, estoy haciendo manicuras así. Is there anybody interested? ¿Alguna persona interesada? Don't worry, don't worry. It is totally free. Gratis, gratis. Okay, I'll finish this up first. Thank you, gracias. Shoes finished, but it's still wet. Pero todavía está húmeda, so it needs to dry for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, the shoes will be half the weight and water resistant. Los colocamos por 2 semanas para secar y después de 2 semanas los huecos son listos de peso y resistente al agua. Then we'll send it. We can paint the shoe, pintura, and we'll use them. Then one more thing. If you like to try them, we got them here in all the sizes. Cuando te gusta probar un par, los tienen aquí en todos los tamaños. If you put one finger extra between your heel and the back of the shoe, like this, then it's a good fit. They always fit a little bit big. Un dedo espacio extra es buena. Huecos son grande. Okay, well, this was my demonstration. Esta fue mi demostración. Thank you, gracias, and have a nice time here. Thank you. You got a 9? Okay, so 10 is a 41. Five, 10, just outside. You guys are gonna go to the box.
El agua se mete por ahí, ¿no? Si le meto el agua,
You stay there. You're covering the cow. No cow.
Kristen, they made an exact replica. Why not?
Okay,